everyone, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share my very first Christmas video. Today it's Christmas with Chelle. Like every year, I share DIY and inspirational ideas for the Christmas season. I hope you enjoy. My first DIY starts with this adorable sequin Santa hat. I picked this up last year from Target. Now I had a wonderful idea in mind for it. I took some dollar store ribbon, and the first thing I'm going to do guys is hot glue some into the middle of the hat. This is actually going to make the hanger for our hat. Once I've glued it all in place, what you're going to do guys is now take some plastic bags and fill up the entire hat. You could also use some newspaper here. Now my idea here guys is to make a beautiful floral bouquet. So I took these dollar store flowers and I just bended them over guys, and I added two in place. Now once the flowers are all in place, I'm going to take this dollar store glitter foam, and I had a template of a little perfume bottle guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace that out first of all. I then took some scissors and cut it out. I then took a smaller piece of black glitter foam and I'm going to add that to the centre. I then printed out this sweet little Chanel logo and I'm going to hot glue that to the middle of the black foam. I'm then going to take this gorgeous silver sequin brooch and I'm going to hot glue that to the neck of the bottle. I'm then going to take this beautiful Christmas ribbon and I'm going to start first of all by just tying a shoestring bow. I'm then going to tie a shorter shoestring bow and I'm going to hot glue that to the larger one. I'm then going to cut the ends of my pretty ribbon. I'm just going to overlap them and cut them on an angle.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm late.
I'm going to hot glue that in place, and then I'm going to take my gorgeous little Chanel bottle and hot glue that to the front.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and
now off camera guys, I actually added some Christmas pics inside the flowers as well, which you will see in the end clip. I then moved on to my second DIY, starting with this round MDF circle and two little popsicle sticks that I picked up from my dollar store. My aim here guys is to make a snow globe. Now the first thing we're going to do here guys is hot glue the two sticks at the bottom, and taking a ruler and a pencil, I've done angles on each end of the sticks, and what I'm doing here is just cutting them off.
singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Now once you've cut both ends, guys, what we're going to do is take this outside and first of all spray paint it white.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Now once it's completely dry, I'm going to start by painting the bottoms black with some craft paint.
Memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Now once it was completely dry, I took some of this Spotlight Beautiful Glitter see-through ribbon. Now what I'm going to do here, guys, is off camera, I'm going to spray the snow globe with some adhesive spray and I'm going to glue in place the beautiful shimmer ribbon.
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill.
I'm then going to take some scissors and cut out the excess that's overlapping the snow globe.
I've been longing to hold you close.
Now sticking with my designer glam theme, I took some of this black glitter foam again. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to cut out a freehand Christmas tree. Now basically what I did here was just a little triangle with a little base at the bottom. I then took some scissors and cut it out. I then took some Chanel ribbon that I picked up from Etsy last year. And what I'm going to do, guys, is at the join of the two popsicle sticks, I'm going to hot glue that across the front. I'm then going to take my Christmas tree and I'm going to hot glue that to the right hand side. I then freehanded a little perfume bottle as well, guys, and I'm going to hot glue that to the left hand side. I then took one of those little Chanel logos and I'm going to hot glue that to the centre of my perfume bottle. Now guys, I wanted to make a little gift box, so I cut out a little square from the silver glitter foam and I'm going to glue that to the centre. I'm also going to take this beautiful brooch once again and hot glue that to the middle of my Christmas tree. I'm then going to cut out some small tiny strips of the black glitter foam, guys. And what we're going to do here is we are going to do a crisscross at the front of my gift box. I then took 4 more of these little strips, guys, and what we're going to do is make a very cute bow to go on the top of my gift box. All I'm going to do here, guys, is just bend them over, and starting from the very middle, I'm going to start on the right hand side and just glue the first one in place. I then added another one to the left hand side as well as 2 to the top. I then trimmed off a little Chanel logo from that ribbon, and what I'm going to do here first of all, guys, is hot glue that to my little bow. I then took some of these dollar store rhinestones and I'm actually just going to add a little strip of them across the neck of my perfume bottle. I then took another one of those Chanel logos from the ribbon and I'm going to add that to the top of my Christmas tree. I then moved on to my third and final DIY. Now what I'm going to do here, guys, is just take this cute little cardboard box and I'm going to cover it with some of this beautiful fabric that I picked up from Spotlight. This is inexpensive fur fabric and I'm going to cover the box in fur.
snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town.
I started by covering my little box as if it was just a gift. So what you can see here is I'm just overlapping it at the top of the box and hot gluing it in place and then pulling it up as if it was an actual gift.
This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make.
Once it was all glued in place, I'm going to flip the box over and take some of this dollar store black ribbon. And what we're going to do here, guys, is make a crisscross across the top. Now you're going to hot glue it underneath the box, as well as do it to the opposite side. I'm then going to take some more of that ribbon, and what I'm going to do here, guys, is just overlap it 3 times. We are going to create a bow for the top of our box. Now you're going to make 2 of these, guys, and you're going to take some floral wire. And what I'm doing here is just trimming it off, and I'm going to tie the 2 bows in place. You're then going to fluff them out, and then you're going to hot glue them crosswise on the top of the box. Now I took this little pom-pom garland and I cut it to size, and I'm going to overlap it onto my bows. Once I cut it to size and glued it in place, I then added some larger pom-poms to the ends.
Merry Christmas to you.
Guys, I absolutely love decorating for Christmas, and I was so excited to share my very first episode of Christmas with Chelle. Now guys, you know I've been a little stressed these last couple of days because my computer decided to die on me, but I managed to get it fixed, and I am so happy that I was able to upload this for you.
We stay up waiting for 7 tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree.
I love how I took simple and inexpensive projects and created these items for you that you can recreate in your homes this Christmas season. Guys, who's excited for the Christmas decorating season? I know that I certainly am, and I know this video is a little early for some of my friends, but here on YouTube, us YouTube creators try to get in early so we can give you simple and inexpensive ideas for you to decorate your home for the upcoming season.
Saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.
Now if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome. If you love glam decorating in your home, from simple and inexpensive DIY projects and home decorating ideas, my channel just might be for you, and I'd truly love for you to join Chellesglamhome family. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hoped you enjoyed this episode of Christmas with Chelle, the very first episode for Christmas decorating for 2019. Leave me a comment down below if you'd like to see more Christmas glam DIYs. So don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chellesglamhome. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.